Hi, it's Susanna from the Geopoliconomy channel, and you're watching Hell of the Pacific, Garbage in the Ocean. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Water is found everywhere on Earth, from the polar ice caps to steamy geysers. And wherever water flows on this planet, you can be sure to find life. Earth's oceans, biggest water reservoirs on the planet, help regulate the climate, absorbing heat in the summer and releasing it during the winter, and serve as home for countless numbers of species of plants and animals. And yet, in the 21st century, humans do much to pollute water in the oceans. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, lying between California and Hawaii, is the world's biggest ocean waste repository and plastic accumulation zone, with 1.8 billion pieces of floating plastic. Its nickname, Eighth Continent, is no exaggeration. The constantly growing island of rubbish measures about 1.6 million kilometers squared and is 3 times the size of France. In 2018, the Nature journal estimated it contains 80,000 tons of plastic. But despite its size, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is invisible to satellites, as 94% of it is made up of microplastic. Scientific evidence points to Asia as being the main contributor of rubbish to the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, with another big factor being the increase in industrial fishing in the world's biggest ocean. Fishing nets, also called ghost nets, account for 46% of the mass of the plastic continent, and they can be dangerous for animals that swim or collide into them. From abandoned fishing gear and waste thrown away on land come microplastics, which measure just a few millimeters in diameter. The deterioration of plastic into microplastics is usually the result of sun exposure, waves, marine life, and temperature changes. They are very difficult to remove and are often mistaken for food by marine animals. Right now, 180 more plastic than food floats on the surface of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The damage to the animal kingdom is impossible to quantify. Each year, thousands of marine mammals and aquatic birds die after confusing items in the Pacific Garbage Patch for food or getting trapped in abandoned fishing nets. In 2016, a report by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, warned about the presence of microplastics in up to 800 species of fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Our health could also be another victim of this accumulation of marine debris, as microscopic plastic ingested by fish and other species we eat enters our body through the food chain. According to a study conducted in collaboration with Deloitte, yearly economic costs due to marine plastic are estimated to be between 6 to 19 billion US dollars. The costs stem from its impact on tourism, fisheries, aquaculture, and governmental cleanups. What can we do to prevent the growth of the plastic continent? The discovery of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch has raised awareness of thousands of people and has resulted in multiple initiatives to reduce the amount of plastic in the oceans. The Plastic Free Waters Initiative was created to eradicate plastic from water bodies in the region, while 4Ocean Initiative has collected 1,930 tons of ocean plastic from around the coasts of 27 countries since 2017. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done it yet, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, think, learn, explore.